Our firm is Lipsky Lowe LLP, and we are located on 630 3rd Avenue between 40th and 41st. We started this firm in October of 2017.
We started Lipsky Lowe after having worked at one of the nation's premier employment firms who represents just the employers, recognizing that there's few attorneys who had that experience, having represented the employers. So we're able to take that knowledge and experience, and through that, better represent our clients, get better results for them, and better work with the attorneys on the other side.
The types of cases we handle at Lipsky Lowe range from single plaintiff to class action lawsuits and multi-plaintiff lawsuits in everything from discrimination to sexual harassment to wage and hour. Our clients come from all different industries.
We also work with the companies, and they could be startups or any kind of company that's trying to set up their practices.
We have a great ability to identify claims that individuals may have that they were not aware of that they even had. So for example, oftentimes people will come to us and they'll think they have a hostile work environment claim or a sexual harassment claim, and they may in fact have that, but oftentimes it turns out they don't. But we dig a little deeper, we go a little further, and we explore what other types of claims, for example, how they might have been getting paid. And that's not why they came to us, but where we're really able to drive value for them is in these other claims that they were not even aware of.
I love working in this field of employment law and helping employees, and also I love the entrepreneurial spirit we have here. And a lot of my clients are immigrant workers, so I love being able to help those in need, because those communities, they lack the knowledge of what their rights are. Often they think they don't have any rights because they're immigrants, or maybe they don't have documents to be in this country. So it's a very vulnerable sliver of society.
I've known Doug for years. He and I worked together at a prior firm that I was at for almost 20 years. And we decided to start this firm because we saw an opportunity in the market where there aren't a lot of people with our backgrounds. Doug and I both come from a background of representing management. We learned employment law from doing a lot of work for Fortune 500 companies. It gives us a unique perspective now that we're representing plaintiffs. We sort of understand where the defendants are coming from. We kind of know what moves they're going to make and what to anticipate. Our short-term goals are to really be a leader in providing not only the best level of legal representation, but excellent customer service, responsiveness, quality of our advice, being mindful of what the client's needs and expectations are. We really do try to make ourselves available at all times for our clients, because we oftentimes have clients who are in difficult situations with their jobs. So it's not possible for them to call us during regular work hours. By the same token, we want to make sure that we're producing the highest quality of work. When I was first coming up as a lawyer, one piece of advice I got that I still think is true is the best advertising or marketing you can have is the piece of work that's on your desk right now. And our longer term goals are to build this firm, grow it, and establish Lipsky Lowe LLP as the preeminent plaintiff side labor and employment firm in New York City.